This just came in. The first positive COVID case at the Tokyo Olympic Athletes Village has just been confirmed. It's unclear where the case is from. This comes with less than a week to go to the Summer Games. Now, for more on the situation in Japan, let's cross live to our correspondent Phoebe Amoroso in Tokyo. Phoebe, first of all, tell us more about this first case in the Olympic Village.
Well, we don't know details of where this person is from, and in fact we've just heard from the Tokyo 2020 organisers, and they responding to questions say that they're really trying to protect the privacy of athletes by not releasing the country that they've arrived from. But the number of cases associated with the Olympics has been rapidly increasing. They were tracking numbers from July the 1st, and up until July the 15th 30 cases were found to be positive, and that jumped to 45 just yesterday. So the number of COVID cases is rising, and there are many questions about whether this can really be contained. That individual in the Olympic Village has been moved to a hotel where they're being isolated. There are also some questions about the arrival procedures at the airports. There have been some complaints that there have been delays in delegations getting through with all the screening and testing, and the Japanese government has asked airlines to limit the number of bookings that domestic people here in Japan can make in order to allow the COVID testing to go smoothly and the border controls to be tightened. They're looking for around 2,000 arrivals a day as a maximum. There are also questions over athletes being allowed to compete if they've been confirmed as a close contact. They're now looking into allowing athletes to compete if they test negative within 6 hours before an event. But just in the discussion, the Tokyo 2020 also discussing with the IOC Executive Board issue of consent of other athletes, particularly in contact sports, whether they will consent to competing against someone who has been confirmed as close contact. That is currently under discussion, and the IOC board meeting is continuing, so we will hear further updates on that later today.